Hey, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be baking some Christmas cookies. I'm not going to try to be like John Cannell. I'm not going to try to be like all of the people that I watch online, but I wanted to make the Pillsbury cookies where you take the chocolate chip cookies and you bake the sugar cookies on top just for fun. So like if you have them on hand and you want to bake them with me, go ahead and grab them. Okay, so I have the 2 cookie trays ready to go with parchment paper, and then we have our sugar cookies. I know it's not like a crazy fancy thing. I don't want to do anything overly intricate for these. I just want to have fun with them. These are really good for parties. I had a Halloween party with my friends and I didn't know what else I wanted to make. So I washed my hands. So I take the chocolate chip cookies and I flatten them a little bit, the cubes, and then I just press the sugar cookie right on top. I don't touch it then. But yeah, I had a Halloween party. These are really easy to do. I had a whole tray of them done to take. Maybe not that flat. I guess this is more of like trying out popular baking trends online for the holidays. And then I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I only do 1 tray at a time. Otherwise they will burn a little bit. You can also do the ones if they don't have the pictures anymore. I saw people took the sugar cookie dough and they rolled it, not rolled it, but like they took I guess they rolled it in like the nonpareils or just like the colored sanding sugar. I thought they looked really cool, but I wanted to do these ones. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this tray in and then I'll start the next one. I set my timer for 12 minutes, but it's kind of like you want the chocolate chip cookies to get a little bit brown, but like you don't want them super brown because then underneath they tend to get like, not burnt, but like they're like extra hard. I always get these to do them at the holidays with friends, like Halloween and everything, but like we never have the time to get together, so I just started making them to take to places. Next tray is ready to go. So here's how mine look. The lighting's really off, but they're like brown around the edges. I do 350 for 12 minutes. Then I'm gonna let them cool for a minute and then we're gonna put them on the tray, which I went to the Dollar Tree and look at how cute these ones are. I couldn't decide, so I got them all. There's this one that's like the candy canes and the peppermint candies. And then the Santa Claus and the reindeer and the snowman one. I thought that was really cute. And then they also had these. They had these ones that are like the Santa Claus, the reindeer, snowman, which is kind of like the same design, I guess. And I thought these were cute with the little coffee cup mugs. And then they also had the other ones with the candy canes and the peppermints. I think I might go for one of the clear ones. I think we'll go with this one. Actually, no, I like this one better. I watched them before, I just forgot the tags underneath. I don't get to bake at home as often, so I wanted to use our like a little Christmas tree cookie scooper thing. They're a little bit warm still, like in the middle, but the bottom should still be good to go. So I'm just gonna start traying. They're getting a little bit soft, so a little bit harder to work with, but I'm just gonna finish up the last of these then. I also saw the one where people were doing, I think they were taking one of the sugar cookies and they were putting it in the bottom of a wrapper, and then they were gonna put an Oreo on top of that and then like a scoop of brownie batter. They looked really cool. I just don't think we would eat them as much as we would eat these ones. So I also like doing these ones because I do them every year. So I'm gonna pop these in the oven and then I'll be back to try the tray that's about to come out of the oven and then this one. So here's our final cookie tray. Well, that's today's video. I always like making these cookies. I think it's a lot of fun. Obviously I'm not doing anything crazy. I just wanted to try out some of the like more viral, popular holiday dessert ideas. So I have 3 more I'm probably gonna do, and then yeah, nothing crazy, just some fun ideas I wanted to try out. Let me know what you think. Let me know what cookies and what kind of desserts you're making this holiday season with your family or by yourself. And yeah, thanks for watching.